Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of showing the year you were born in X. Sharing your birth year can be a way to connect with others and add a personal touch to your profile. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on the Profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the Options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, locate your birthday information. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Once you're on the birthday settings screen, you'll see an option to specify the year. Tap on it to select the desired year. Step 8. After selecting the year, you'll find a visibility option. Choose Public to make your birth year visible to others. Step 9. Take a moment to review your changes and confirm that the year is set to public. Congratulations! You have successfully shown the year you were born in X. Your profile will now display your birth year, allowing others to connect with you on a more personal level. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show what year you were born in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.